Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 8, Introduction of Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. I have told you in the previous lecture, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree specific value. What is the fixed value? In this video, I am going to tell you now, how will you get the 0 degree and 90 degree in a right angle? Simply, these values you know, sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sec 30, cos 30 and 45 all the. Then here you see what is the value of sin degree 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, sin 90. In this case we will take a one right triangle and here PBH and HHP I have written. One right triangle, you want the theta is 0, sin 0. This is one triangle I am trying, which is like this, A, B, C. You want this angle theta. Theta is equal to 0 degree. It is a perpendicular, it is base, it will have to be. How it will become a 0 degree? Suppose it is an angle. It is an angle, it will 0 when it will come down. When it will come down, like this it will come down and the position of this will be overlap. When theta is 0, then the hypotenuse will be falling on B. Hypotenuse will be falling on B and hypotenuse and base will be equal. And what will be 0? Hypotenuse is equal to base, base is base and perpendicular becomes a 0. This height will be reduced. You want to become a reducing the angle, what will you do? You reduce like this side will be reduced, this side will be reduced, this side. At last, what will you get? P becomes a 0. Very important thing. How will you get the? Theta is a 0 degree. So, sin 0 degree. Sin theta means sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree, you will get P upon H. What is the P? Sin 0 degree, P upon H. P is 0, 0 upon H. H0 is 0. What is the sin 0 is 0. Very simple. Cos 0 degree. Cos theta gives you cos 0 because theta I am letting it is a 0. When it will be 0, then it fall on this. Means this side you reduce. Both the side will be reduced and it will be become on this. Like this one. It is here and it is coming on this. Fully. Here is no place. It means you are reducing both. So P becomes 0 and hypotenuse is equal to base. So here you are getting value 0 degree. Sin theta 0, cos theta cos 0. Cos 0 means B upon H. What is the base? B upon H, and you have proved H and base are equal, so B upon B will become what? B and B cancel, cos 0 is 1. B and B cancel. You convert B into H or H into B. Very simple. Easily you get 1. Now tan 0. Tan theta gives you tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree means tan will be 0. Then by Pandit Badri Prasad, tan is P by B. P and B. What is the perpendicular you have? You are getting these three things. Perpendicular, base, this. Out of this you are putting the value. It becomes 0 now because of 0 degree. So, perpendicular upon base, 0 upon base. What will you get? 0 upon base, base is there present. So, base 0 is 0. Any 0 divided by anything you are getting. After this, you get the reciprocal. How will you get the cosec? Cosec 0 degree is 1 upon sin 0 degree you can get. What is sin 0 degree you are getting? Sin 0 degree is, how are you getting sin 0 degree? Sin 0 degree is 0. So 1 upon 0 is getting the not defined. What will you get? Not defined. Any number is divided by 0, then the value is not defined. Then you will get the sec. Sec 0 degree, sec 0 is 1 upon cos 0 degree and cos 0 degree is given what is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So what is the sec 0? 1. tan is over cot. Cot 0 degree is 1 by tan 0 degree. Tan 0 is 1 by 0. So again it is not defined. What are you getting the value? Not defined. Infinity, or you can say. There is no any, if the 0 is in the denominator. So like this you are getting the 0. 0 has only assumption. By assumption you are doing this. For 90, same figure, you will get again for 90 degree. Again you assume, if you want the theta becomes a 90 degree. Here is 90. It is theta. Perpendicular is this, base is this, hypotenuse is this. You want the theta becomes 90, like this my hand. This is given. So what will you do? You like a ladder, you put it on the wall, then what will you do? You want the ladder becomes very slopey and very slope will be down, then you take it far away, you want the angle increase, then what will you do? Like this you will go. You will go this side. This side means your this angle will be going like this. And one time will come when theta becomes 90. Theta means h will be on the P. H is like this. Earlier it was this, now it is going like this. You are reducing from this side both the things. You are cutting this here. Base as well as this, and what base becomes? 0. Base will be reduced to here, it will be parallel to this, then only 90 degree. Like this you will go. So theta becomes 90 degree only when this is moving this side. Earlier what you have seen for 0 degree, theta becomes 0 degree when it moves down, and when it will moves this side. So here P becomes 0, here base is equal to height, here base is equal to perpendicular, base is equal to 0 and perpendicular is equal to height. Hypotenuse, perpendicular is hypotenuse, base is 0, perpendicular is perpendicular, which is given. Out of this you calculate these things. Sin 90. What is sin 90? Sin 90 degree is P by H. What is the P by H? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? You change H into P or P into H. If this, then what is your answer? Sin 0 degree is 0, but sin 90 degree is 1. What is the meaning? It means sin is increasing from 0 degree to 9. It is increasing 0 to 1. Cos 90. Cos 90 is B upon H. What is the B? Base is given 0 and hypotenuse as it is, and it will become 0. Cos 90 is 0, but here cos 0 is you are getting 1. So tan 90 degree is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base, you put the values perpendicular as perpendicular, base is 0. So what will you get? It is not defined. It is not defined. Denominator is 0. Now cot what will you get? Cosec 90 degree is equal to 1 upon sin 90 degree. What are you getting? Sin 90, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Highlighters you must use. Highlighter is your box. Sec 90 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 90 degree. And what is the cos 90 degree? 0. That is not defined. Cosec, sec, cot. Cot not defined. That also you will get. Cot is equal to B by P. What is the B? 0 by P. Then what will you get? 0. Cot 90 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 90 degree. So what value you are getting here? Simply you are getting cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree means base upon, and base is already 0. 0 upon P will become say 0. What is your answer? What is the tan 90 degree? cot 90 degree, tan 90 degree. Cot 90, tan 90. Cot 0, you are getting tan 0 is 0, cot 90 is 0. Very simple. So you are getting this all the values. How will you write in the form of a table? So all the values together you will write. It is a assumption form only. Because how will you know that perpendicular and base are equal? So by the assumption part you will get all the values. If the theta is given, so you can make the table by this. Sin theta, theta is given, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. This is very simple. What is the theta? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. One line you learn only. Sin theta, sin 0. Sin theta means sin 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. 30 is 1 by 2 and 1 upon root 2. It is a root 3 by 2 and 1. This value one line only you run, other all you can do. Reciprocal of this. Reverse order you write down. From 1 you start, you get this value. You can check. You can check what I have calculated. You will get the value 0. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Tan is sin upon cos. You know sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So 0 upon 1 0 is 0. These two will be divided. You get 1 by root 3. Tan theta. It is a root 2 cancel 1. 2 and 2 cancel root 3. 1 upon 0 not defined. Simply you are getting this. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin. So 1 upon 0, here sin theta 1 upon 0 not defined. It is 2. It is reciprocal root 2. It is 2 by root 3 and 1 upon 1 is 1. Reverse order of this is sec. This is reverse order. From here you start. Reverse order. 1. What are you getting? Here 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2 and not defined. That is reverse order of this is sec. For the tan, you can write the reciprocal of this. Tan is reciprocal 1 upon cot, 1 upon tan theta. It is called 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan means 1 upon 0 not defined, or you write the reverse order. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. All the values you are getting basic. You will get a practice for writing this, then you can easily write down. First line, reverse order. Tan theta you are writing, divide 0 upon this, this upon this, this upon this you are getting. Then cosec, how will you get reciprocal of this? 1 upon 0, 1 upon 1 upon 2, 2. This is reciprocal, this is reciprocal, this is 1. And the sec theta very easily you will get reverse order of cosec or reciprocal of cos. What is easy according to you? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan. This reciprocal means this reverse order of tan you write down. Not defined root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. And that's how you will get the 0. And it is the table, you practice it and then you solve. In next lecture I will tell you the problems based on it. Thanks.